Can you remember the last time you walked without holding your breath in pain? The simple joy of taking a stroll through the park, going up a few stairs, or even dancing a little to your favorite old song, all without stiffness, swelling, or fear of falling. For millions of seniors, joint pain has quietly stolen those beautiful moments. But what if you could bring them back, not with pills or surgery, but with the right foods? Imagine waking up one morning, placing your feet on the ground, and realizing there's less pain, less stiffness, and more hope. This isn't just a fantasy, it's possible. And it starts with something that already exists in your body, but needs your support: collagen. Collagen is the glue that holds your joints, bones, and connective tissues together. But as we age, our body's natural collagen production slows down. That's when the little aches turn into daily discomfort. Knees crackle, hips ache, and even fingers feel stiff. According to a study published in Current Medical Research and Opinion, seniors who took collagen hydrolysate for 24 weeks showed significant improvement in joint pain, particularly those with osteoarthritis. That's why boosting your collagen intake naturally through food could be one of the most powerful and healing choices you can make today. Before we dive into the foods that can help you say bye-bye joint pain, we want to gently ask, if you care about your health, your independence, and your ability to enjoy everyday moments again, please consider subscribing to Seniors UpLife. Our channel is dedicated to bringing seniors science-backed advice, practical solutions, and heartwarming encouragement to live better, longer, and stronger. Your support helps us continue to create content that truly matters to lives like yours. Collagen isn't just a buzzword, it's a lifeline for your joints. When collagen levels decline, the cartilage that cushions your joints begins to wear down. This leads to bones rubbing together, triggering inflammation, pain, and stiffness. For seniors, this process happens silently over the years until one day, standing up from a chair or walking across the room becomes a challenge. But here's the remarkable part. Research shows that collagen can be replenished, and the right foods can help your body do just that. Not only can these foods boost collagen, but many of them also fight inflammation, reduce swelling, and help rebuild the connective tissue that keeps joints flexible and strong. Let's take bone broth, for example. It's rich in collagen amino acids and minerals like calcium and magnesium that support joint health. Slow cooked from animal bones, it releases gelatin, a broken-down form of collagen that your body can absorb easily. In a 2016 study published in Nutrients, collagen peptides found in bone broth were shown to support joint comfort and flexibility, especially in older adults. And the best part? It's easy to make at home, inexpensive, and deeply nourishing. Another powerhouse is salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It not only promotes collagen synthesis, but also helps reduce the joint swelling that often makes movement painful. According to the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology, EGA-3 South have been found to significantly lower morning stiffness and pain in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Add in vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, strawberries, or kiwis, and you've got a perfect collagen-boosting combination. Why? Because vitamin C is essential for the body to produce collagen. Without it, your body simply can't manufacture the collagen it needs to repair and maintain your joints. Eggs are another unsung hero. While they may not contain collagen directly, their yolks are full of nutrients like choline and biotin, which help in collagen formation. Meanwhile, egg whites are rich in proline, one of the key amino acids needed to build collagen. Nuts like almonds and walnuts offer the bonus of vitamin E, which protects collagen from oxidative damage and keeps your joints healthier longer. This isn't about changing your entire diet overnight. It's about slowly introducing the right foods that help your body heal from within. Every bite of collagen-rich, anti-inflammatory food is a step back toward comfort, mobility, and confidence. Just think, when you start fueling your body with what it truly needs, you're not only reducing joint pain, you're regaining something far greater: the joy of moving freely, of walking without wincing, of living without limits. Picture an elderly woman named Margaret. Once a spirited gardener who loved spending her afternoons tending to roses in her backyard. After turning 73, she started experiencing severe joint pain in her knees and wrists. Her favorite hobby became a source of discomfort, and she gradually stopped going outside altogether. Like so many seniors, Margaret believed this pain was just a normal part of aging. But her story took a turn when her granddaughter introduced her to natural ways of improving joint health, starting with collagen-rich foods. Within a few months, with consistent changes in her diet, Margaret began to notice a difference. She was walking with less pain, bending with more ease, and one bright morning, she picked up her gardening tools again. Margaret's story isn't unique. Around the world, thousands of older adults are discovering that food can be a form of medicine, especially when it comes to managing joint pain. One of the lesser-known but highly effective foods for collagen support is chicken skin. Though often discarded, chicken skin is actually a potent source of natural collagen. In cultures where it's traditionally consumed in soups or stews, lower rates of joint degeneration have been observed in elderly populations. When prepared healthfully boiled or slow-cooked, it can be a healing addition to your diet. Berries, especially blueberries and raspberries, are another secret weapon. These fruits are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which not only protect existing collagen from breakdown, but also help reduce inflammation in the joints. A 2021 study in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who regularly consumed antioxidant-rich fruits had significantly better joint mobility and reported less pain. Even small servings each day, half a cup of berries with breakfast or as a snack, can create noticeable changes over time. Then there's spinach, kale, and other dark leafy greens. These vegetables are high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and inflammation regulation. When your joints swell due to wear and tear or arthritis, the body's inflammatory response needs to be controlled gently. Greens offer a steady, natural way to keep that process in check, while also supporting the bones that surround those aching joints. Seeds like chia and flax seeds add more benefits to the table. These tiny nutritional giants are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, helping lubricate joints and support gut health, which, surprisingly, is closely linked to inflammation levels throughout the body. A balanced gut can reduce chronic inflammation, allowing your joints to heal more effectively. The transformation starts not with a single food or meal, but with consistent nourishment. When you provide your body with these nutrients regularly, you give it the tools it needs to repair, rebuild, and restore. For many like Margaret, it's not just about eliminating pain, it's about reclaiming identity, joy, and the freedom to do what you love again. Asterisk. Joint pain in old age isn't just about physical discomfort, it steals something far more precious. Your independence, your confidence, your joy in life's simplest moments. But what if the path to freedom doesn't lie in another pill or invasive treatment, but instead begins right on your plate? The science is clear. Collagen plays a vital role in maintaining healthy joints, and its natural decline with age doesn't have to be a sentence to pain. Through collagen-rich and anti-inflammatory foods like bone broth, salmon, citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, seniors can give their bodies the nourishment needed to restore what time has taken away. These are not magical fixes, but they are powerful steps proven by research and lived by thousands of people who have taken their health into their own hands. Each thoughtful bite can rebuild strength, each choice at the dinner table can reduce swelling, and each meal prepared with care can bring you closer to waking up without pain. It's about shifting the belief that aging means suffering and replacing it with the truth that aging can be graceful, mobile, and even pain-free if we give our bodies what they truly need. This journey back to movement, back to ease, is possible. We've seen it in the quiet recovery of people like Margaret, in the testimonies of seniors who once struggled to walk to their mailbox and now stroll freely through their gardens. You deserve that joy too. Don't let joint pain write your story. Let nourishment, knowledge, and daily intention guide you to a life where you can move again, not just with ease, but with pride. Because saying bye-bye to joint pain isn't a farewell to aging, it's a new beginning to living fully again.